Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to run Internet Explorer inside Chrome browser. Click three dots on the right corner. Click Settings. Click Extensions. Click Open Chrome Web Store. Type IE-tab. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Click IE-tab extension. Click Keep. Internet Explorer is enabled inside Chrome browser. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.